Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can close your account and profile on Cloudflare. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to Cloudflare, and before you delete your account, make sure that you either transfer your domains or close them, for instance. And once you have decided to close your entire user account here or your profile on Cloudflare, you will need to navigate to your profile icon in the top right. Here, click into profile, and next scroll all the way down, and here under delete user to the right you will see the associated account here to the left, so click into delete user, and as you can see guys, that is going to remove what I just said, they remind you of removing all your name servers and domains, for example, before you do that, or transfer your domain. However, if you'd like to delete your account now, remember that it is permanent and it can't be undone. So confirm by clicking into this button. Now I'm not going to do this, I would like to keep my account, but that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.